Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add grid line on the graph in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, you have to convert your data into chart. So for this, you can watch my previous video. So after selecting the data, you can click on insert options. So here you can choose any graph. So after making a chart, so click on the chart, and here you can see plus options. So click on it, and then you can see grid line options. So when you will click on grid line options, so you can see grid line are added. So if you want to change the color of grid line, so just click on it. So click on any grid line and then click the right side of mouse, and here you can see format grid line. So click on it. So here you can see color options. So click on it, and here you can select any color. So you can see color is changed. So guys, in this way you can add grid line on the chart. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.